Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Jaguar F Pace with the key. Start by unlocking with the fob button, then press the touch sensor on the door handle if present. If the battery is dead, use the physical key blade to open the driver door lock. Once inside, insert the key into the slot or hold the fob near the start button to power accessories. Always lock the car after exiting. Using the physical key blade is simple and reliable when the fob battery dies. Remove the blade from the fob by sliding the release and pull it out. Insert the blade into the driver door lock and turn gently to unlock, avoiding force. After entering, place the fob near the start button or designated slot to allow the car to detect it. Replace the fob battery as soon as possible to restore normal keyless use. To lock your Jaguar F Pace securely, use the fob lock button or touch the sensor on the door handle if equipped. Confirm doors are locked by checking mirrors fold or listening for the locking sound. Use passive locking settings in the vehicle menu to auto-lock when driving away or adjust walk-away locking if desired. Always verify windows and sunroof are closed before leaving the car, and keep the spare key stored safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.